Hi guys, how's it going? We are in a new year, 2026, and this is a new video. I'm going to take you and show you around the beautiful flower market in Bangkok. It's called Park Klong Talat. Talat meaning market, and let's see how it looks. I'm meeting a friend on the way, and we are both going to explore it together. So let's go and find out. So this is Thonglor area, and I'm walking towards the BTS station, which is about 700 to 800 meters away from my home. So yeah, this is where we are, and we are walking. We've reached the metro station, and from here we'll get the train to Asok. So there's Thonglo, Prophong, and third stop is Asok. That's where we want to get off. So this Asok station is a central bustling interchange in Bangkok, connecting the Sukhumvit BTS line with the MRT Sukhumvit station, which is the subway. Yes, hi. You're going to be in my vlog today.
Okay.
They have a lot of options to pick from. You can make your own bouquet or probably just get some. shops to show you everything, but as you can see, or if you can't, I don't know, both my hands were occupied because we were looking for the right flowers to make the right arrangements, and probably wandered around all the shops, the whole market, to kind of figure out the right flowers which we wanted to. Apparently, that market is open 24/7. Yes, it's open for 24/7, and best time to go is very early in the morning because that's when probably all the fresh flowers come in. But I did show you a glimpse of the markets, and just copy paste it into a zillion times, and you'll find the flower market right there, because I had a lot to handle. Plus, I had to take trains and MRT. I couldn't really shoot everything, but I'm gonna go home, show you what all I got, and also create a cute little flower arrangement. So stay tuned. And this is me walking back home. It must be what, around 700 meters away, but it is still quite hot. I am back from the flower market in Bangkok, and let me show you what all I got. To begin with, I got 3 pieces of lilies. Actually, as soon as I came back, because it was a long way, I had to really make sure that they don't die before I really put them in the flower arrangement. So I kind of immediately came home, turned on the AC, and cut off the tips of these stems. And these are pink lilies. I'm not sure if you can see and make out, and they look even better when they kind of bloom. So yeah, I cut them short, and I exactly know how much length I want. So yeah, this is that. Lilies were 60 baht. Yes, 60 baht per stem, and I just wanted 3 or 4. So yeah, these are my first buy, and let me show you more. So this is from another shop. It was a small tiny shop outside of the main market. Not very expensive. I don't know what are these called. They look like small versions of daisy flowers, but they look really pretty when they're part of an arrangement. They look great with sunflowers as well. I got them because I want them to kind of make my bouquet fuller. So yeah, these were 20 baht per bunch. And guys, if you don't know Dubai prices, like flower prices in Dubai, they are very expensive even for a bunch like this. So it was a steal. I don't know about the quality. We'll figure it out in a few days and find out if they really stay or not. But yeah, 20 baht is cheap, man. And they're really pretty. Like, I don't know if it's doing justice. The video is doing justice or not, but I love them. Next up, we have the greens. Of course, to make your flower arrangement look fuller, you should have few greens here and there to make it all come together. So I got a few greens. So I got a bunch of eucalyptus. I love the smell of eucalyptus. I don't know if you know it, but if you put a eucalyptus plant or even part of your flower arrangement in home, they kind of make they are natural perfumes for your home. So they make your home smell more fresh and very calming. Many people even put eucalyptus plants in their washrooms. They're supposed to give you a sense of calm and relief. As we all know, eucalyptus oil we use for massage. So yeah, that's that. And it looks great as part of a flower arrangement. They were also not very expensive, 60 baht per bunch. And finally, I have more greens. Just one more, a bunch. These, again, don't ask me what are these, because I don't know, but they smell great. Again, very fresh and lemony and citrusy. I don't know exactly. If you can tell me, tell me. I basically wanted them to be a part of the flower arrangement I'm going to make now, because they have the right amount of green, and also it's like really full. Like the leaves are really full, so it's going to add a lot of dimension to the flower arrangement. So I got these. I don't remember the price, but let me see. So this was 60, 20, so 80. And how much did I pay?
Approximately 10 hours later.
Around 45 per bunch. I'm not quite sure, but it was around that number. So again, cheap, but nice, really nice. I mean, I like the smell. We'll see about how it goes. So yeah, and finally to this big bunch. I got this all from one shop, but it was very heavy. So the whole time I was kind of juggling, and so was my friend, because we both went a little crazy. And here we have another one. These are more flowers. Let me show you. Good. They kind of packed it well, I guess. So yeah, guys, there are two different kinds of shop in the flower market. So if you're planning to go, I'm just letting you know. So one, there are the ones which have like a few shops which are outside, and they are selling full bouquets of flowers, and you can just pick and choose. But honestly, I'm not sure if they'll stay for long, because they are like already bloomed flowers. And but if you are just like looking for occasion and to gift it that very day, they are good buys, because and just to give you an idea, they are really nice looking bouquets. They pre-make it, so they are around between 200 to 300. Because I wanted to make everything on my own and create my like whole flower arrangement, that's why I got a couple of different things, and overall it costed me around $500, which is actually okay if you want to do your own thing and get creative and experiment and play around. But if you're not a very experimental person and you want to just get a nice beautiful looking bouquet, just get those bouquets right from outside the shops. And then there comes the next kind of shops, which are basically fully AC. They are protecting the flowers. The flowers will be a little more expensive, like on the higher side, but you'll get all the varieties, fully bloomed buds, and also I'm guessing the quality must be better. So yeah, we'll see. Then the other one which I got are these daisies, the red daisies. So I really like the pop of color, so I thought of getting the red daisies. They were around $70 if I'm not wrong. Then we have carnations. Another fact about carnations is that they are one of the flowers which don't die early. So if you're looking for a very low maintenance and something that really lasts longer, experiment more with carnations, like all kinds of carnations. You can probably mix a different color of bunch of carnations, and they stay fresh in your home for quite some time. And also I love carnations. So I got carnations. Look at that. They are the same pink as my lilies, because I plan to create a flower arrangement with lilies and some carnations and the beautiful greens. So yeah, that's why I kind of color matched it with my lilies. This is how it looks. This was, let me check if I have the price, like the bill with me or not. The red bunch was around 130 baht. These are around 180 baht per bunch, but they look really fresh and they had lots and lots of colors. So if I were you, who doesn't want to go really all out in terms of making your own, but you still want to try and experiment, I would suggest try different colors of carnations, and it will look really beautiful. And then we have some, I don't know what they are called, but they look like berries to me. I wanted these because one, they are pretty, and also they add a lot of color. You can use them as one, like a complete bunch on its own, or else you can probably pair it with a same color like this. They will look amazing, trust me. And yeah, I mean, like, something about them really attracted me, and I was like, okay, they'll make my, again, flower arrangement fuller, beautiful, add that pop of color, and even if I feel like mixing the red and the pink, I can go about it. So yeah, that was the plan, and we got it. So yeah, this was my flower haul today from Pak Klong Talat, and shout out to Zareen, because of her she could really help me navigate around some of the shops, the local shops, because I was panicking and it was super hot, but we managed it, we pulled it out, and we are back with some beautiful flowers. It's still a work in progress, but I feel then the video will just keep going on and on for really long. So this is just a basic idea of some lilies and the carnations and the eucalyptus. So I'm still working on it, but this is how it's going to look. It's in a white vase inside, and I have kept it in this jute basket to add more aesthetic vibe to it, and this is how it's going to look. Oh my god! Again, a work in progress. We have just done the greens and the flowers and need to add a little more elements, but I'm just showing it to you before I turn off the video. It's in a beautiful brown vase, and yeah, I think it's gonna look great, but right now I'm loving the pop of red going well with the green. So if you enjoyed this video so far, do not forget to hit a like, share, and of course subscribe to my channel to watch new and some more fun things in Bangkok and of course in other countries. Thank you for watching. Bye.